Lesson 5, Part 2, the conjunction de. De is a special kind of conjunction called a postpositive. A conjunction joins words or groups of words. There are two kinds of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. Coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, or sentences that are equal, joins to nouns, joins to sentences, etc. In English, these are the words and, but, or, nor, for, and yet. Subordinating conjunctions make one clause dependent to another. In English, these are words like after, although, as long as much as soon as, before, by the time, even though, now that, once, rather than, since, than, that, though, till, until, whatever, when, whenever, whereas, whether, which, whichever, while, who, whoever, and whom. De is a coordinating conjunction that only joins sentences. It never joins just subjects or just verbs. A postpositive conjunction is a conjunction that doesn't go at the beginning of the second part of what is being joined, but instead goes one word after the beginning of the second part of what is being joined. So observe the following sentences. Ha anthropos blepo kai ha apostolos akuo. The man sees and the apostle hears. Ha anthropos blepo ha de apostolos akuo. The man sees and the apostle hears. Note, de can mean either but or and. But if the translation is but, it doesn't indicate a very strong difference or contrast, but just a small one, which is why it can just as easily be translated as and. Allah, which we are about to learn, indicates a strong difference or contrast. Now, technically, de can go after 2 or 3 or even 5 words, but that is rare. So we saw in this example up here, this is where the second sentence begins. So we have ha anthropos blepo, that's the first sentence, the man sees. The second sentence begins here with the ha for ha apostolos akuo, the apostle hears, but the de came one word later than we would have expected to find it. It's postpositive because there has to be a word that comes in front of it. And this note down here is saying the de could actually have gone over here even further into the sentence. It's not common for that to happen. You probably won't see it happen for a long time, but it can come later in the sentence, especially if these first couple of words are very short words. Like if there were another word that were maybe 2 letters long, you might find it there. Summary. A conjunction is the part of speech that joins words or groups of words. A coordinating conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences that are equal. A subordinating conjunction makes one clause dependent to another. A postpositive conjunction is a conjunction that doesn't go at the beginning of the second part of what is being joined, but instead goes one word after the beginning of the second part of what is being joined. De does not indicate a very strong difference or contrast.